Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about Python string concatenation. So let's start with some examples. First, first example, which in this code, we are defining three strings: var1 which holds hello, var2 which holds guys, and var3 which is a combination of var1 and var2 using the plus operator. When we print var3, it will display hello guys as the plus operator is used to concatenate or combine strings. In the next example, basically we are in this code we have two strings variables var1 and var2 containing hello and coders respectively. We use the format dot format function uh, to combine these strings with a space in between, and the format function substitutes the curly braces with the values of var1 and var2, and the result is printed and stored in var3. So finally we print var3, and which contains the combined string hello coders. In the next example, we are basically using the comma. A comma is a great alternative to string concatenation using plus. And when you want to include a single white space, use a comma when you want to combine data types with single white space in between. So here we take var1, var2 and var3 as we love and coding, and using the comma to combine the data types. And if we print var1 comma var2 and var3, it basically combines the three three strings basically and print it we love coding. In the last example, we in this code we have a string variable name containing sns and an integer variable age containing 25. We use an f string, uh, formatted string literal, to create a string greeting where we embedded the variables name and age within curly braces. When printed greeting will display hello, my name is SNS and I am 25-year-old. F string basically allows us to easily insert variables into strings for dynamic content. So in this tutorial, we basically discuss four examples of Python string concatenation. So thank you guys.